thanks for tuning into another video. You're probably saying, why is this guy always in the videos? Well, it's because I'm always co-pilot. I'm gonna explain on another video down the line, but thanks for tuning in. Today I am with Berto. Yes. Today I'm with Berto.
Hey everyone.
In his 2008 F150 FX4. I'm gonna show you guys the outside of it shortly. This thing actually only has 69,000 miles, so it's a 2008 F150 FX4 with 69,000 miles. So we're actually gonna go out, just gonna go up to the mountains real quick, just take a quick trip, take some footage, get some video. Yeah. As always, thanks for tuning in, and let's get up there. So, as you guys saw in one of the previous videos, we were here at this particular location. We're not gonna be able to do that one, but Berto's checking out to see if he thinks his F150. Here's his F150 2008 FX4, like I said earlier. So he's gonna try to see if he believes he can go up. He doesn't. He is four-wheel drive. He does have some suspension work like that done to it, but he does not have lockers. So I'm gonna see if he's interested in attempting to do it. But let me show you guys. Check out his rack. He just got that installed, and he just got the camper, the rooftop tent on as well. Big shout outs to Smitty Belt for hooking us up with some of these, and big shout out to Linear Designs. They do really good products, so make sure to go check out both companies, Smitty Belt and Linear Designs. Linears, whatever you call it. But yeah, what do you got? What do you think?
Let's try it.
So, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Did you put it up or no? Yo. So I'm gonna say driver. When I say driver, you're gonna turn to the left, and passenger is to the right. What happened? Did it slip?
Yep.
So go right, go to the left a little bit, and then come this way. Go. Keep going. We might have too much air. Go slow. Yeah, do you want to air down or you want to not try it? Huh? Yeah, because it gets heavier right there.
I was going to say, I will make it up there.
Fail number 2. So you don't.
Alright, here we go, again.
Take it slow, take your time. If we have to air down, even if we drop down 10 pounds, we're good. No, go that way. Not too hard. Just take it easy. Now straighten up, straighten up. Turn, driver, driver, driver. Keep going, keep going. No, we're good. At some point or other, we're gonna have to conquer this, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna happen today with this truck. He's losing traction, I think. Also, he's not wanting to air down just because we don't have the compressor. Straight, straight. Go ahead. No, negative. Yeah. So it looks like we're not gonna go ahead and attempt that like we did last time. So hey, Sorry. Appreciate you guys tuning in. As you guys know, we are professionals. We're just hobbyists. So we appreciate you guys supporting and watching. Go straight. Straighten it out. Straight. Supporting. We're just getting into this whole overland thing. So, you know, for the most part, a lot of this stuff is just vlogging. So again, do appreciate it. Never really done this before. We've been into Baja. We've been into the desert as far as sands and camping and stuff like that. But this is our first adventure and our first try at overlanding. So just appreciate you guys, your patience and understanding and your support.
Say how much lockers gonna cost me for this truck. Gotta look into that right now.
What were you experiencing when you were trying to get up the hill?
Well, the passenger side front tire was losing grip, so I was unable to move. So I was unsuccessful to accomplish this little hill, which disappointed me.
Then you're gonna replace your tires, so that's also gonna be very helpful.
Right. And then hopefully by then I have invested in some lockers for this truck, which will be a great benefit. So next time I'll be able to conquer that mini hill. And I'll be very proud of myself and my truck. I think the first portion will be good. Once we hit where those boulders are standing on the left-hand side, once I get over that, that's where I see if I could have issues.
I don't even know what's over there though.
I don't either.
Unless we want to walk it.
Well, let's drive up as far as we can and go from there.
Not too bad, bro. Bro, stay on the road. You're good. You're good.
Alright.
Put it all the way down to one, son.
One?
Yeah.
Right.
And just stay like this. Because there's no loose rocks.
Yeah. See right there.
Yeah, we're fine. Well, I'll get off if you need my help.
This is right down together.
No, you're good.
Look at that shit.
No, you're good. We're gonna have to stick to the. You're gonna put this tire on this side. Let me get off. Go, passenger. Straight. Passenger. There you go. Straight. Passenger. Straight. Passenger, slow, straight. So we found a cool trail, at least enough where he's able to test his truck out. You're gonna take passenger side where I'm walking. Yeah, buddy. Where you guys at? Stay in that lane. Stay. You're good. You're good. Stay in that lane. Driver, passenger, sorry. There you go. A little bit. Straight. Oh, hold on. Go, driver. There, go now. Slowly. Yeah. Hold on. Slowly. Let it clear up for a minute. Hold on. So go passenger. Go. Okay, hold on. Maybe put it in, close the windows. Oh yeah. Put it in drive, maybe that'll help. And try it now.
Passenger or driver?
Straight. Go ahead, go straight. Okay, never mind. Try back up a little bit. Stay right there. Now go passenger. Go straight. There you go. Slowly, you're good. No, hold on. All right, so you're gonna have to try to go driver a little bit. You almost had it. Go straight. Oh, actually go back. Try it again. Okay, go up now. Go straight.
B, do a D or 1?
Go straight. You're good. No, just try to and drive and see what happens. Nomás estamos dando. There you go. Good job. No, nomás estamos haciendo tierra. ¿Y usted qué busca? ¿Qué era? Oh, venados. Ah. ¿Y si dejan a... ¿Sí? Ah, ok. ¿Ya tiene tiempo afuera acá?
Ahorita.
Oh.
Vine y fui a comer y me vine.
Ah. Que tenga buen día. Take it slow. Slow.
14. 13.
You're good? No, driver? Slow. Straight. Good stuff. So we ended up going inside through Del Sur, and we went in through. Yeah, it's called Tio Pico. We went up Tio Pico. So this time around we went around instead of going southeast. Last time we went southwest and we ended up by the border. Now we're actually going towards Del Sur. Hold on real quick. Right here, where we at? This is right. or go straight, but it's closer this way, so make it go right. We're in the outskirts of San Diego right now. We should be landing in Del Sur, which is about 30 minutes from downtown San Diego. Now we're at the bottom of the hill, as you can see. Again, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. If you haven't already, make sure to hit a subscribe. And if you're liking this type of content, this type of vlog, make sure to share it with other people, because the more you guys share it, the more we have fun. So appreciate it. Alright, so we thought we were done. We were trying to exit to the highway and the gate's closed, and we don't have no keys to that gate. So we're having to head back the other way, and hopefully the gate is not closed on that side. So that's our update. That's where we're at. So we didn't make it out to there. The gate was over there, but it was closed. So now we gotta try to go around again, and hopefully so we made it out. There's a gate and it's open. This is Campo Road, if anybody's familiar with the San Diego County. So we're gonna be able to exit here. Overall, what you thought about your truck, because it's been a while since you've taken it off-road, since a Baja trip or anything like that.
I am glad I did it. Give me some pointers what I need to fix in my truck, and I recommend anyone that gets into overlanding, take out your truck or your whatever vehicle and just see what it can and cannot do, and then what tools you need, because it's better to do it before you do a mass trip with a lot of people and then you're the one that's broken down.
Yeah, exactly what he said. So make sure to go check out his playlist on his FX4. It will be below on the description or on the main page of this YouTube channel. So make sure to go check out his his playlist down below. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you guys. As always, Memo behind the camera. You guys will see what I'll get here shortly soon. So maybe by the next video, you guys will see what I have. So stay tuned, subscribe, share this channel, retweet it, repost it, reshare it, whatever you want to do. I think we're done. Wow.